What is the name of your business and what product or service do you offer? How long have you been operating the business?
Pangalan ng okay na Tagalog din. Sari-sari store. Tapos, how long? 2 years. Tapos, binibenta namin, yun, sari-sari, bigas, condiments, biga, yun, sari-sari.
What inspired you to start the business?
Na-inspire ako kasi nakita ko na kukunti lang yung sari-sari dito. So, kaya nag-put up kami ng ganitong business.
How do you come up with the business idea?
Halo-halo, napusap-usap kami. Tapos nakita namin na mas maganda yung maging sari-sari store tsaka burger. So, yun.
What challenge did you face in starting a business?
Challenge, first nakakakaba kasi hindi mo alam kung magkiklik ba o hindi. Pero so far, okay naman.
How many people work in your business?
Sa ngayon, family business kasi ito. So, aming pamilya nagtulong-tulong.
How much did you earn in starting your business?
Na-earn namin, 50% na kailangan ba sabihin kung magkano? Okay na yun. Siguro 50% agad sa loob ng ilang buwan pa lang.
And how did you raise or find capital to start?
Capital, nag-ambag-ambag kami para put up tong business na to.
How do you manage your time and resources daily?
Manage full-time kasi. So, dapat kaya mong balance gawain bahay tsaka sa business mo.
What was the biggest challenge you faced as a business owner?
Challenge yung panahon na ups and down. Maiwasan nyo na sometimes walang pinipili pero laban pa rin.
How did you overcome this challenge?
Overcome, basta siyempre pray lang.
What achievements are you most proud of in your business?
Proud kasi lumalaki.
What advice can you give a student like us who may start a business?
Ang advice ko lang, sakaling pupunta tayo ng business, huwag bibitaw. Tapos syempre kahit pa paano yung tuition, simula hanggang pagdulo.
If you could start over, is there anything you would go differently?
Ngayon, honestly, hindi. Ito na muna siguro. Palalaguin, para mas lalo natin makita yung parang umangat sa business na.
So, yun lang po lahat. Maraming salamat po.
What inspires or surprised you the most from the interview? Well, after the interview, the first thing that surprised us the most, especially me, is the advice that she gave for us. Well, at first, she said not to give up, continue what you're doing for, love what you're doing for, and fight for what you're fighting for. In other words, like, finish what you start. It comes to my mind, it really encouraged me to fight for what I really want to do. In a situation like this, it's the amazing thing that comes to my mind. Courage and less fear of risking something that give for this opportunity or this thing that you admire the first in your own business is risky at first, but at the end of the day, thing that you always wanted to achieve, hard work pays off. So the most thing that surprised me or inspired me is the advice that she gave us. What difficulties you encountered during the interview? Well, at first, during the interview, the thing that I always encounter or experience is stuttering the most. Before saying the statement fully, I always stutter the most when it comes to interview or going to a conversation. At least after the session, I always manage it smoothly and no problem at all. Well, that's what really matters. First thing I always encounter is stuttering during interview and as well as going to a conversation. Bit by bit, I'm improving my English speaking when it comes to a formal situation like this. And yeah.
Tumatak po sa isip ko na sinabi ni ate na yung pagtitiyaga po sa pagbenta at pag-itis dahil sa kaunti ng kita at minsan wala. Ang napot kong aral doon yung pagiging masipag ni ate at pagtitiyaga niya sa kanyang tindahan at kahit mahirap daw po ang buhay, laban lang.